大家好，欢迎来到跟陈老师学汉语。In this video, I'll tell you how to type Chinese characters on your phone. First, press the Setting button. Then, press the General in Settings. Scroll down until you find Keyboard and press it. Next, press the Keyboard and press Add New Keyboard. Scroll down until you find Chinese. Please select Simplified one. Here, you choose the QWERTY layout. Now, everything is set. You can start typing Chinese characters. Let's have a try. Open the Notes app on your phone. Now, you need to change the input method. Press the round icon in the bottom and select Chinese. And you can start type Pinyin and select the characters you want to type. I hope you enjoyed learning Chinese, and I'll see you in the next video. 谢谢，再见. If you like my video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe the channel.